Welcome to another video on Expedition Explorers. This video we are giving you a guide on a road trip through Europe. Imagine cruising along the winding roads of the French countryside, navigating through the bustling streets of Rome, or marveling at the breathtaking fjords of Norway. Europe is a treasure trove of diverse cultures, stunning landscapes, and historical landmarks all waiting to be explored. The first step to realizing this dream is route planning. Deciding on the countries and cities you want to visit is crucial. Whether you're drawn to the romantic allure of Paris, the ancient ruins of Athens, or the vibrant nightlife of Barcelona, your choices will shape your journey. Remember, Europe is vast and distances can be deceptive. Factor in driving regulations, which vary from country to country, and visa requirements. Overlooking these details could lead to unnecessary hiccups in your adventure. Thankfully, we live in a digital age where planning is made easier with online mapping tools and GPS devices. Use these to plot your itinerary, estimate driving times between destinations, and even discover hidden gems along the way. But don't let your planning stifle the spirit of exploration. The magic of a road trip lies in the detours, the unexpected discoveries, and the freedom to change course as you please. So allow some flexibility in your plan. So map out your route and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. The open roads of Europe are calling. Will you answer? Now that the route is planned, let's talk about your ride. If you're not bringing your own vehicle, a plethora of rental companies provide vehicles primed for long-distance travel. It's crucial to ensure the vehicle you choose is compliant with European driving regulations. The open road can be unpredictable, so verifying your insurance coverage for driving in different countries is a must. Consider additional coverage if necessary to keep you covered from the Alps to the Mediterranean. Europe's roads have their own unique language. Familiarize yourself with European traffic signs and the rules of the road, the roundabouts, the priority from the right, the varying speed limits. It's all part of the adventure. Also, don't forget the driving etiquette, from the courtesy wave in the UK to the use of car horns in Italy. It's all part of the rich tapestry of a European road trip. Your vehicle is your companion on this journey, so choose wisely. Where to rest after a day of adventure? Let's consider your options. From the elegance of hotels to the affordability of hostels, there's an array of choices to fit every traveler's needs. Perhaps you're a fan of the great outdoors? Then campgrounds could be your home away from home. For those seeking a more personal touch, vacation rentals or Airbnb options might just hit the spot. Europe is a treasure trove of unique accommodations, be it a charming chateau in the French countryside, a rustic cabin in the Norwegian fjords, or a chic apartment in the heart of Rome. But remember, Europe is a popular destination year-round. To ensure you secure your ideal resting spot, booking in advance is a smart move. It might also land you some sweet deals, which is always a bonus. Comfortable accommodation is key to a successful road trip. So take your time to find the perfect place to recharge and dream about the next day's adventure. A well-planned budget is essential for a hassle-free journey. Now, when it comes to budgeting for your European road trip, there are several factors to consider. Begin by estimating your primary expenses. Fuel, tolls, accommodation, food, and activities, these are your road trip staples. Remember, fuel prices vary dramatically from country to country, so do your research. Tolls can also add up, especially in countries like France and Italy. Then there's accommodation. Are you a camper or a hotel hopper? Your lodging choice can significantly impact your budget. And let's not forget about food and activities. Sampling local cuisine and exploring cultural sites are integral to the road trip experience. But what about the unexpected? A flat tire in Florence or a detour in Denmark can throw your budget off track. So always keep a buffer for emergencies and unplanned adventures. Remember, a good budget is the backbone of your road trip. It gives you freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind as you embark on your unforgettable journey. Packing smart can make your road trip smoother. As you prepare for your European road trip, the essentials should find their way into your luggage. Top of the list are navigation devices. These could be a GPS device or your trusty smartphone, as long as it keeps you on the right path. Next, gather your travel documents. Don't leave home without your passport, driver's license, and insurance papers. These are as important as your journey itself. A well-stocked first aid kit is a must because, well, accidents happen. A car charger and adapters are also indispensable, ensuring your devices never run out of juice. When it comes to clothing, comfort is key. Pack clothes that can handle various weather conditions. And if you're planning to hike the Swiss Alps or ski in Austria, don't forget to carry the right gear. Remember, pack light, pack right is the mantra for a comfortable road trip. A road trip is not just about the journey, but about immersing yourself in the local culture. Imagine this. You're in Italy, and instead of having pizza from a chain, you're sampling a wood-fired margarita from a family-owned pizzeria tucked away in a cobblestone alleyway. The burst of fresh basil, the tang of tomato sauce, and the gooey mozzarella. That's the taste of Italy, authentic and unparalleled. Now think about Spain, attending a flamenco festival, the rhythm resonating through your body as the dancers stomp their feet, their expressions telling stories of passion and tradition. You're not just a spectator, but a participant in a centuries-old cultural spectacle. Or picture yourself in France, exploring the ruins of an ancient castle, feeling the echoes of history and the weathered stone walls. Each site is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. Engaging with locals is another enriching experience. Whether it's a friendly chat with a shopkeeper in Germany or learning a traditional dance from villagers in Greece, these interactions offer insights into their way of life and traditions. You'll find that despite differences, there's a shared human experience, a connection that transcends borders. From the hearty stews of Ireland to the folk music of Romania, the vibrant festivals of Portugal to the historic landmarks of Poland, Europe is a cultural mosaic that invites you to delve right in. Savor the culture, make memories, and enrich your road trip experience. Safety first, adventure next. An essential mantra to remember when embarking on any journey, especially a road trip across the diverse landscapes of Europe. Staying informed about travel advisories is crucial. Knowledge is power, and being aware of any potential safety concerns in the regions you plan to visit can help you steer clear of trouble. Equally important is keeping emergency contact numbers handy. Whether it's local law enforcement or the nearest embassy, having these numbers at your fingertips can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. Sharing your itinerary with family or friends back home is another smart move. It ensures someone always knows where you are, providing an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Lastly, don't forget to be cautious of tourist scams. They can be prevalent in popular destinations, so keep your wits about you, safeguard your belongings, and trust your instincts. Your safety is paramount, so stay prepared and stay safe. Travel responsibly for a sustainable future. As we traverse the vibrant landscapes of Europe, let's strive to minimize our environmental footprint. We can practice eco-friendly driving habits, such as maintaining a steady speed and avoiding unnecessary acceleration. Reducing waste is another key element. Use reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and biodegradable products. Plus, support sustainable tourism initiatives by choosing eco-friendly accommodations and respecting local ecosystems. Remember, we're guests in these beautiful places. Let's leave only footprints, not carbon footprints. The beauty of a road trip lies in its unpredictability. As you chart your course across the vast, vibrant landscapes of Europe, remember to allow yourself the freedom to deviate from the plan. This is the secret ingredient to a memorable road trip. It's about the unplanned stops at quaint cafes, the detours to gaze at breathtaking sunsets, the impromptu meetups with fellow travelers, and the unexpected discoveries that simply can't be scheduled. While your GPS may guide you on the fastest route, let your curiosity lead you on the most interesting one. When a scenic byway catches your eye or a local recommends a hidden gem, don't hesitate to explore. After all, it's these spontaneous detours that often lead to the most unforgettable experiences. However, this doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind. It's about striking a balance between having a well-planned itinerary and being open to unexpected adventures. This flexibility allows you to truly immerse yourself in the journey, to soak in the sights, the sounds, the tastes, and the culture of each place at your own pace. Every road trip is a personal journey of discovery. It's an opportunity to create a unique tapestry of experiences and memories that are yours and yours alone. So, embrace the adventure, enjoy the journey, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you at our next adventure.